Hi, my warmest greetings. Let's compare side view of male and female figures. Male torso is bigger and hands are thicker. It is main difference. Drawing female figure, we use the body balance line to build all the shapes around it. And we used 3 circles of the same size, skull, chest and hip circles. And 1 more shoulder circle 2 times smaller. Starting drawing male figure, we draw about the same construction with some exceptions. Chest and shoulder circles will be bigger. Let's try to draw side view of male figure. For beginning, we draw framework with balance line. Upper third we divide into halves on the level of shoulders, and top half we divide into quarters. In upper quarter we put circle brain case of a skull. Then middle third we divide into halves, and upper half we divide into quarters. In lower quarter we put the circle shifted toward back of our figure. Balance line cuts through 1/4 in width of this circle. And now will be difference. We draw a vertical line from front side of the skull circle down, and another vertical line from back side of hip circle up. And we put chest circle inside the place marked by these lines. Then we draw a vertical line, stepping back from balance line half scalp distance. And we put from left of this line shoulder circle. It will be a little bigger than half skull in diameter. With 2 curves slightly bended forward, we join shoulder circle with middle of the skull circle. It is the neck. Then we draw long smooth line touching 3 lower circles from hip circle up to the neck. This line marks belly and chest. From back side of the chest we draw curve which makes of all the chest part symmetrical drop-like shape. The same shape but less inside we give to hip and belly part. From front side of the hip circle we draw contour of the leg. It goes to the upper part of lower third where we accentuate kneecap and down, crossing the balance line. From back side of the hip circle we draw another side of the leg. Under bottom line we draw foot, little bigger than female. Balance line crossed in the middle. Then with S-like curve line we draw the back and buttocks. In male figure this line is bended not so much. Men's buttocks are more flat, so is the belly. Now it's time to draw the arm. It goes down from the shoulder circle to the bottom level of the hip circle, and when we add palm, it is little bigger than women's. Let's draw the breast muscles. In the middle of the chest cage, lower jaw, by small curve we mark genitals. On the head we add some details, ears, eyes, nose, mouth, hair. It's ready. Now let's sum up differences between male and female body. In male figure, shoulders and waist are broader, arms are thicker, hands and feet bigger. Belly and buttocks are more flat and in opposite to woman's body made up of soft rounded shapes, man's body is more angular and has harsher lines. So, now you can draw on your own. I wish you happy sketching. Bye bye.